How to sync contacts on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync contacts on Snapchat app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. Go to the top and click on your avatar and click here on the settings, as you can see, and then scroll down until you find the contact sign, as you can see right here. Click on it, and now as you can see, click sync contacts and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.